So hi guys, beautiful day, beautiful weather and a beautiful bike in front of me. You must have already read on the YouTube thumbnail what bike this is, so no surprises there. This is a Triumph Speed Twin. Hold on. Before I show you what the bike rides like, let's get right into what the bike is like. It's got a 14-liter tank. It's got beautiful round LED headlamps. It's got dual disc brakes in the front, dual suspensions at the back, lovely Diablo Rosso tires, 120 in the front, 160 in the back. It's got a beautiful profile. Love the look of the exhaust, which you're gonna hear in a bit. It's got the Triumph badging plastered all over it, which kind of looks pretty cool actually if you think about it. We have these pretty cool looking foot pegs here, beautiful looking seat. I love how it merges with the tank, looks absolutely flawless. You have the fuel tank cover here, it's all brushed aluminum. Your ignition switch, your hazard lights. On the other side, the headlights, the low beam, high beam, the information button, the indicators, the horn, the mode control. The instrument cluster looks incredibly modern and cool. I really like how it looks. The aftermarket rearview mirrors look pretty awesome by themselves. Really like how Triumph has designed this bike. One of the best looking bikes I've seen. This is a parallel twin engine, and of course with a parallel twin engine you get parallel exhaust. So let's see what it sounds like. I ride a lot of bikes usually. I ride a lot of Harleys. I thought why not try another bike for a change, and the one that I thought I would is the Triumph Speed Twin. This is a 1200cc bike. It's got 112 Nm of torque. It's got a 14-liter tank. Can carry a lot of fuel actually. From the profile you won't make out that it's got a big tank, but it's got a decent tank. So to give you perspective, मेरे 48 में I have a 7-liter tank and this is a 14-liter tank, so almost twice. This is twice the size of the 48. It's pretty powerful. I love the aggressive stance on it. I am pretty much leaning forward on the handlebar. It's not that uncomfortable though, but I can imagine that after a few 100 miles this can get a little painful, because I can feel a lot of weight on my wrist as of now. But because the position of the back is straight, it's not so bad. Like in the 48 you have to lean into the bike. तुमको आगे lean करके बैठना पड़ता है, so that becomes very painful after a while. Really refined engine, really smooth. These are mid-control bikes and they're quite comfortable. I had gone bike shopping. मेरे पास दो या तीन ऑप्शन थे 1200cc के रेंज में, and I had to pick between the Speed Twin and the Harley 48. And one of the reasons I went for the Harley 48 is because obviously I love the peanut shaped tank. That's one of the main reasons I bought the 48. Also, it's a much heavier bike. I prefer heavier bikes than light bikes, so that's also one of the reasons I went for the Harley 48. That does not take away any credit from this bike. I mean, after having ridden this bike after so long, it really feels great. It's such a nimble bike. It's so smooth. The shifting is incredibly easy. It's incredibly light. So the weight of this bike is 196 kgs guys, and the 48 is 245 kg. So you can almost imagine how light this bike is. The twin exhaust look lovely on the bike. It's so light, it's so comfortable. यार कि लग ही नहीं रहा यार, मतलब I'm riding a 1200cc bike. It doesn't seem like it. It's so light and it's so easy to maneuver. You know, the best thing about the Triumph is that it has good riding features. It has your 3 riding modes, which has your it has ABS, it has traction control. So yeah, when people ask me ki what's one of the reasons you picked the 48, well, the 48, you know, although Harley it doesn't give you any features. The bike में तो features तो कुछ है, features नाम की चीज़ है ही नहीं. It's a raw bike. You customize it the way you have to customize it, and वो आपका signature bike बन जाता है. Triumph का जो, I think the difference between Triumph and Harley is that Triumph के जो bikes है, they come to you perfect. I think pretty close to perfect the way it is. You know, all the features, everything is as good as, you know, how a bike should be. Whereas Harleys are completely customizable. Like you get a raw bike and you do whatever you have to do. So काफ़ी लोग को वो aspect पसंद नहीं आता, because you are already paying around 12 lakhs for a bike, and उसके ऊपर से अगर आपको खर्चा करना हो तो फिर what's the point? So Triumph is known for its package. It's a complete package. Anyway, I'm checking the torque of this bike. This is a 112 Nm of torque bike, and what amazing pickup, guys. I love the grunt of the exhaust as well. Although these are aftermarket exhaust, I hear the stock ones are not that great as any bike, because of the sound regulations. They don't give you stocks that sound really nice, so you have to put aftermarket ones. These are aftermarket stocks. They sound really nice. Suspensions are great as well. I think I've pretty much gone on the worst kind of bumps up till now, and I haven't felt uncomfortable yet. So great suspensions. What I like a lot is how the bike feels when you throttle it. When you give it a little bit of throttle, it just flies. You know, the torque really shows. The second thing I think I like about this bike is, you know, how nimble the bike is. It's so easy to maneuver, and it's got great grip as well. You know, the tires actually hold the road pretty well. A lot of fun, actually. This is a liquid cooled engine, guys, and there doesn't seem to be like a heating issue of any sort. What I've heard of these bikes usually is that it really heats sometimes, but not this one. This one seems to be fine. So I am planning to, you know, as you guys already know, I am planning to sell my 48. I am thinking of picking a new bike. So this bike comes very close to what I really am looking at. Let me know if you think this bike is worth giving a shot. Cornering also is such an easy job on this, like especially if you've ridden 48s and fat boys. This is so easy to corner. It's not even funny. It's just so easy to corner. And I'm almost like used to the bike now. I mean, I've been riding it for a while, and the feet position seem fine to me. Like it's not such a big deal. I actually thought this would be a problem for me because I'm used to riding bikes, you know, with my feet up ahead in the front. But this is quite comfortable, actually. Oh wow, the radiator has kicked in and the air that's been expelled. Wow, that's really hitting my legs right now. If you guys wonder कि मैं shorts पहन के bike कैसे चलाता हूँ, whether these bikes, you know, expel a lot of heat, Well, yeah, they do. You're आप गलत नहीं हो. I mean, you know, there is a lot of heat from these bikes, but I am used to it, so it doesn't really affect me too much. But I certainly wouldn't recommend, you know, a beginner to ride bikes like these with shorts on. It's not it's not the best idea. When I got my Harley 48, I remember from the showroom I was wearing shorts at the time, and at that point my bike was not even tuned really well, so I ended up burning my legs. You know, the heat was so much. But because मेरा initiation हो गया था, मैंने पहले दिन से ही shorts में चलाया था बाइक, I was not afraid of it anymore. मुझे वो heat से ज़्यादा मेरा डर ख़त्म हो गया. So for me, although this bike also is throwing a lot of heat, I can feel when I stop at the signals, but it's not affecting me as much. Like मुझे इतना affect नहीं कर रहा है. But at the same time, yeah, I wouldn't recommend anybody else doing the same thing. The seat's actually very comfortable. The seat's really comfortable. Doesn't feel like a very painful sort of situation to be in. What I've noticed is on bikes like these, at least the ones, you know, the luxury bikes or the high-end custom bikes that we talk about, it's always better to be padded naturally, if you know what I mean. It really helps in the entire experience of it. Anyway, thanks so much for watching the video, guys. If you like the video, please press on that like button and subscribe to my channel. I shall see you the next time.